Hello everyone, Teacher Teresa broadcasting to you from my brand new classroom. I was teaching in my laundry room. I had a 2-foot by 2-foot space and I could barely turn around. I had to move my classroom because I needed a standing classroom with at least 3-foot by 5-foot of blank white space. So this is my classroom for Vipkid, and then over on the other side of the computer I have a blank white wall where I can teach for class talk. And my floor is standing, so I put in this is funny, I have a board here on 2 concrete blocks that I will be standing on to teach from. Except that it will be this way, so the computer has to be put around over on this side for those classes. This is my Vipkid setup though. I can sit or stand. My laptop cart that my laptop used to be on. This is my 10-drawer cart of lots of props and things. Used to be rolling in and out of my laundry room, but now I can access things a whole lot easier because it's not just right in front of me. And I have an extra shelf. I have shelves. I didn't have shelves in the laundry room. So this is my brand new classroom. Oh, here's my huge mess. But these are my beloved flashcards from Sesame Street of all kinds of things that we use for all of our lessons. Instruments, outside, inside, toys, animals, shapes. I love these ESL flashcards. These were specifically designed by the Sesame Workshop for teaching ESL. Oh, and then we have, this was my whiteboard that I used for props. It was on the wall in that side of my classroom. It's going to go back up on the wall here. Right now it's just propped up on a stool because I'm still setting things up. And then I have this giant pegboard of things. Some of the things are a little hard to reach, so I have that stool there so that I can reach up there high to get things if I need them for a lesson. I hope you enjoyed my new classroom. Oh, this is also a brand new iMac, so I'm still learning the ins and outs of the Mac world because I haven't touched a Mac since 1990. Do you remember the big bubble Macintosh computers that came in different colors? They were really super cool. That was my last Mac. After that, I switched to the Windows world. So, welcome back to the Mac. I switched back to Mac because I love that you can trade it in and upgrade to a new computer. After my Dell crashed and burned at 5 years of loving it, I decided that if I'm going to have to invest in a $1,000 plus computer, I want to be able to upgrade it without having to waste all of my money and get a new one. So I will trade in this iMac probably in 2 or 3 years for a newer one. Welcome to the classroom. Bye-bye.